Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you can hire more heroes in Might and Magic Olden era. If you're watching this, then that means you must have skipped the tedious and long tutorial, or you might have forgotten about it. To hire heroes in the game, double-click a town you own on the right-hand panel. Right on the same panel, you'll find a root beer icon. It's the button to hire heroes. Now just click it and a new window will pop up. As long as you have enough gold, you can hire the hero you desire by clicking the button with their gold price. They'll appear on the unit panel below after you hire them. Make sure they're at the bottom row if you want to pull them out of the town immediately. In case the root beer icon's grayed out, make sure the town you're trying to hire from has a tavern. So build one if it doesn't have it yet. If it's still grayed out even after you built the tavern, you might be playing on a map with a single hero game mode. Make sure to check the map details before starting or joining a game. And that's basically all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.